When planning for the physical installation of network hardware, which two factors are the most critical in determining the required specifications of the equipment rack? The options are A. Keyboard video mouse physical dimensions. B. Depth of network switches. C. Storage capacity of hard drives. D. RPM of cooling fans. E. Power outlet amperage rating. F. Vertical height of servers.
When designing a server room, engineers must carefully evaluate the physical constraints of the space and the hardware. Selecting the right equipment rack involves looking beyond just fitting a device inside. You have to consider how components are physically measured, how they are oriented, and the space required for both the hardware itself and the essential infrastructure that supports it, such as airflow and cabling. Understanding these spatial requirements is key to a successful deployment.
I believe the correct answers are B. Depth of network switches, and F. Vertical height of servers. When sizing an equipment rack, the physical footprint of the hardware is the primary constraint. Server height is measured in rack units, or U, which dictates the vertical elevation needed. Similarly, the physical depth of a switch or chassis is crucial, as the rack must provide enough depth to house the device while leaving room for cable management, proper airflow, and ensuring that rack doors can close. The other options, such as hard drive storage capacity, cooling fan RPM, and power outlet amperage, describe the performance, capacity, or electrical requirements of the hardware. While these are critical for planning the data center's environment and power delivery systems, they do not dictate the physical mounting dimensions of the rack itself. For exam purposes, remember to distinguish between structural, physical requirements and operational or environmental specifications when assessing rack compatibility.